Today I'm going to show you how to insert tampon. The methods are 100% natural. In fact, one of the readers to get more knowledge about a tampon. We all use sanitary pads for periods, but do you know you can use tampons in menstrual period too? And it is used by putting it in the vagina. It is the shape of the cylinder, it is pushed through the fingers of the applicator or the applicator without the fingers in the vagina. The fits with a safe path inside the vagina, and in the walls of the vagina, the monthly blood starts blinking. How to insert tampon and apply. Clean your hands thoroughly with the first soap. Take the hand out of the clean towel and remove from the pack. If the falls on the ground, then throw it and remove the other one. If you feel comfortable sitting or standing in the position that you feel fit, then come in that position. After this, the tampon with the fingers then sticks the small and thin part into the middle and put it inside the vagina. Keep in mind that the tampon string should be on the outside. Remove the vaginal skin fold from your other hand and insert on the vaginal hole. Now you can easily relax inside the vagina. When your fingers touch the body, then leave it, only the outer tube will remain outside. When the tampon enters the vagina, on the part of its outer tube, where the string appears, push it slightly by finger. From this, the tampon goes right through the vagina. When the inner tube goes in the vagina, remove the outer tube with the help of thumb and middle finger. But keep in mind that the string remains hanging on the vagina itself. Later, when you need to grab the string and pull it comfortably downwards, they will come out comfortably. Clean your hands well before leaving the tampon into your vagina. If you cannot find it, do not worry. Once you get an appointment from a doctor. Your vagina hole may be very small and may not work properly. Although this problem is rarely seen, you can definitely get a doctor once. When you are using this, for the first time, use the mirror. So that you can put the correct within the vagina. A special type of lubricant can also be applied above the tampon, allowing to enter the hole easily. How to remove tampon. It is not difficult to remove the tampon that you put in the angle, just come to the same angle and pull the string associated with it. If for some reason the string is broken or if it does not catch, then by sitting in the position of seating, gently removing the tampon by using your fingers. And then wash hands. Can tampon accidentally go inside? It does not happen that the size of the cervix is very small. There is no likelihood that this thing should go very deep or damage the uterus. How often should a tampon be changed? When changes, it can be on the basis of bleeding. If there is more bleeding, then it will have to be changed soon. If bleeding is low, then keep changing it every 4 to 8 hours. How to know how to change tampons. It may be detected when the tampon is pulled slightly. If it does not come out easily when pulling the string, then it can be left for a long time. Even after 4 to 5 hours, if you are having trouble getting rid of it, it means that you should take low capacity. Should tampons stay in the vagina all night? Tampons should never be used for more than 8 hours. The sanitary pad should be used at night. How can you throw tampons? Tampons should not be flushed in the toilet as soon as the sanitary pad is thrown. Because they jammed the plumbing system. Wrap it into toilet paper and throw it in the garbage. Can wear tampons go to the toilet? It does not have to be removed to urinate. The way of urination and stool is different. Remove only when you think it should be changed. While pissing, they removed the string, from which it does not become wet when doing piss. What are the benefits of tampon? 1. It is very thin in size, which can be easily taken anywhere. And it can be easily used in the bathroom. 2. One of its specialties is that even after having too much blood, nothing is felt in the spleen. 3. When you use it, you can come anytime, without any mental stress or fear. You can also wear it and play it. 4. There is no harm to the environment by its application. What is the disadvantage of tampon? 1. Many times it is found that during the use, women forget to change it, thereby increasing the risk of infection. 2. Sometimes it becomes the cause of dangerous diseases like toxic shock syndrome. 3. Generally, the use of normal size is correct. But some women use large size tampons which do not get right. Large size is used when blood flow is high. 4. The biggest problem during the use, and it cannot be easily found in the vagina, which causes much trouble. In this situation, the pain in the vagina increases even more. Occasionally, it is much worse than putting it in the wrong way. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe this channel.